Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to follow a company on Indeed Jobs. I wonder why you want to know how to follow a company on Indeed Jobs. Maybe because you're looking for jobs in this company because it's your dream to be a part of that company so that you want to follow it. So whenever that company posts a job or any update, so you could apply it, or there could be any other reason for you to follow a job or a company on Indeed Jobs. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Indeed app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Indeed Jobs to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom as well. Now, if you want to follow a company, first you have to find the profile of that company on Indeed Jobs. You could either search by its name, or if you know a job that is posted by that company, you could open that job and can go to its profile from that job. So onto this search bar, we have to type the company. You could search for any company of your choice, whatever you want to follow. You just have to simply type its name and jobs related to it will pop up, and from any one of these you have to tap on it, and then you have to click on the stars, which are the reviews under the title of that job. Once you tap onto these review stars, you will get to the profile of that company, and once you land there, you could easily follow this profile by just simply tapping on follow. Once you tap onto follow, this company will be added into your following list, and whatever that post, like any updates or maybe jobs, you will be the one who will get to know and you could easily apply to it. Now, if you want to explore the profile of that company, you could also do that by just scrolling down, and then you will get different information and stuff regarding that profile. And if you again want to unfollow the app because you have mistakenly followed a profile, so you can unfollow it by just simply again tapping on following, and that profile, or you could say company, will get unfollowed by you. So it's very simple. You just have to simply click here and then you will see. But if you again want to follow it, again click on follow and it will get followed. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can follow a company on Indeed Jobs. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.